Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another drink video for you, and I also have a very special guest. This is my cousin Whitney Doucet. She is a singer, songwriter, and she's just amazing, and she has a few of her own songs out, right?
Yes.
She has sung the National Anthem for the Boston Red Sox, the Patriots, the Bruins, NASCAR. What else?
Wow, you know so much about me.
She's also sang with Keith Urban. Are you kidding me right now?
Thanks so much for having me. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, you have to subscribe. Follow Krista.
I'll link her information. I'll link her YouTube channel, her Instagram, her Facebook. What else do you have for like your singing?
Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. That's about all I use. And my website.
I will link all of that down below the thingy.
Click down below. And all of my followers, please do me a huge favor and follow this young lady.
But also, you have to be 21 years old or older to have these. So,
Unless you're in a different country.
that's true. So, today is actually National Tequila Day and National Cousins Day. So, it only makes it right to make this video with my cousin and make a drink with tequila, which it is gonna be frozen margarita. Now, so for this frozen margarita recipe, it is very simple. It is not your typical frozen margarita recipe. It's not as sweet because I'm not gonna add any sweetener in it, just because I feel like this will have sugar and calories that you don't really need, because limes are so flavorful as it is. And it's just on a nice hot summer day, all you really need is ice, tequila, and limes to cool you down.
I feel.
You know? So this recipe makes 2 servings, especially if you have decent sized margarita glasses. So if you are making more than 2 servings, then just double the recipe. So what you're gonna need is 6 cups of ice in a blender, 1 cup of lime juice, and I have my limes here. Do you wanna cut the limes up?
How would you like me to cut them, dear?
It's so fun to like juice citrus
Yeah, that's
for
just
some
right.
reason.
So that you
Oh
can-
hell yeah, here I have a juicer for you too.
Woo!
Alright, so
Should I
juice.
cut them all first, or? Oh, no,
The world is your oyster.
All right, because we need 1 cup.
Yes.
So I don't know. It might. All of those might be more. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Wow, I need to get me one of these.
A citrus squeezer?
Can't wait. Put it on my wedding registry.
So Whitney did a fabulous job of juicing the limes. We got a cup of lime juice. So we have 6 cups of ice in your blender, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, a ½ cup of tequila, and a ¼ cup of triple sec. All right, so we're gonna just pour all the ingredients in the blender. Ooh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yummy. So there's our 1 cup of lime juice, and then our ½ cup of, oh my god, tequila. Do you want to pour the triple sec in there?
I'd love to.
And a ¼ cup of the triple sec. Minus like a teaspoon.
I got the shakes.
Cover on, obviously, and it's gonna be loud.
Hooray!
And I'm just gonna cut up 2 lime wedges for garnish. If you want to do salt, you can totally do salt. So just
I love salt. I'm salty.
wet the rim. So if you want salt, obviously just wet the rim with your lime or water, whatever you want, and just dip that glass in the salt
and shake that.
So there you have the frozen margarita right here.
Beautiful.
Last thing is to try it, right? Cheers.
Cheers.
So that's refreshing.
I love it.
Mm.
And what? There's like no sugar in here?
There's no the limes.
That's
Whatever
count.
there is, yeah.
If your sugar grows from a fruit tree, I don't think it counts in my opinion. If you get it bleached, it counts.
Is there sugar in the triple sec?
Now all I need is a beach chair, Zach Brown band playing, and some oceans and some hot boys fanning me with the...
Hell yeah. Hey, maybe someday you'll sing with them.
Oh, be a dream come true.
That'd be awesome.
That would be so cool.
So that is it for the frozen margarita recipe. It is very easy, as you can see, and like I said, there is no added sugar to it. So she's enjoying it, so...
Oh yeah!
What does it taste like when you taste it?
Okay, give me a sec.
Like, what do you think about?
A boat? Not like diesel gas, but like the aesthetic.
Okay,
A
so
yacht.
she's on a boat.
It tastes like maybe a wedding. Like you would get a special drink at a wedding and you're happy.
Oh, like a signature drink at a wedding.
signature drink. This could be a great, a skinny signature drink. It tastes good. There, you know what? No. It tastes like there's no lemon, but it tastes like a lemon lime popsicle that you could just eat on a hot day.
Yeah,
Like it's very refreshing. Keep these away from the kids, guys. Keep these away from the kids.
absolutely. Okay, well there you have it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out her information. I'm going to, like I said, link it down below or link it somewhere so you guys can visit her pages and show her some love and watch her amazing videos and listen to her amazing songs.
Thank you. And guys that are on my page, make sure you follow her, The Hungry Lioness. That's the cutest name ever. Her last name is Lion. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't. I just love her. She's beautiful and she's great in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye! I can't! Why did we
She's so mad. Are you getting me right now?
We already had a shot.
Yeah. Shh. That's okay though. Alright. What the f, man? Thank God for movie editors because holy
We're live, people, we're live.
that would suck.
Ice, baby. Vanilla ice, baby. It's your wife.
What she said.
For my favorite.
Don't she? Okay. That's, I do that. I do.
And lick that up with a straw.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Suffocation.
No breathing.
Can't give up if
Are we
Good for you. Good for you, Glen Coco. We can auto-tune it like T-Pain. 'Cause I'm free. We both go like this.
Cheers to this video. Oh.
You got more left? Oh, that's good.
Really?
Wuss.
Oh.
Montreal. Montreal.
You want more? No, Montreal. They say more.
No, Amore. I love you.
I'm great in the
Probably
kitchen.
in the bed. I can't confirm that, but
Oh my gosh.
confirm.
On that note. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye. Bye. Bye.